silhouette ng Mount Fuji. Yes, cinematic. So parang tinanggap mo na lang talaga. And then this is jjajangmyeon. And then this is tangsuyuk. This yan, we're mixing the jjajangmyeon. Hello everybody! So, it's currently 3:03 in the afternoon. Today is Friday.
We just had
We just had lunch.
a buffet. A dumpling buffet.
Dumpling buffet sa New World Hotel sa Jasmine. Tapos gusto naming mag-coffee sana. So supposedly, we are going to Shangri-La the Fort para mag-coffee, tas mag-work and all that. Pero, nag-decide na lang kami to instead go somewhere else. Guess what kung saan kami pupunta?
Yes!
Magka-Clark kami today! So we're going to Clark, guys.
We're bored.
Because we're bored. Yeah, we're bored to our wits. So samahan nyo na lang kami mag-Clark. Plano namin pumunta ng Porch kasi si Mon gusto niya mag-Porch. I've been to Porch before. Okay lang naman yung Porch. Pero since gusto mag-try ni Mon ng Porch, edi pagbigyan natin. Okay na yan. Basta we're going there and we're gonna take you with us. So ayan, we're gonna spend 1 hour and 53 minutes para lang magkape sa porch. So stopover, mandatory stopover kami ngayon. To buy water kasi nauuhaw ako. Alright, so we're going down to buy water and to buy snack. So ayan, dito kami sa, what's this? Shell? Is this Shell? This is Shell and Lex. We're gonna get Right and Light because we need to
Barf.
Hindi to sponsored ng Right and Light pero Right and Light baka naman. No. I'll take
Lemon.
yeah, just the calamansi ginger honey too. Healthy. Let's go! So parang tinanggap mo na lang talaga. Tokyo Drift na po kami mga kaibigan. Yay, we're here. Okay, mag-right turn lang dito. Tapos, punta na kami sa parking. Naku, super lagi kami dito. Yay, we made it! Time now is 5:16. So, nag-travel kami ng 2 hours for this. Okay, let's go. We're walking towards Porch now.
Manila Girls and Boys. We're here.
Oh, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng silhouette ng Mount Fuji. Oh, there are a lot of mag-open. Oh.
Restaurants. So,
Actually, ito ang dami ko-convert itong mga parang old houses. Kasi ang daming nag-picnic, tapos maraming nag-jog. Yun. Tapos we're now heading to Porch. Oh my God, ang dami nga talaga, no? Ito namin dyan, pag nag-open na yung Siam House.
kasi ano yung authentic experience of Thai cooking home.
So, yun na yung Porch. Oh my God. Actually,
Port Santiago.
Port Santiago. Actually, dati, parang siguro about a year ago, galing na kami dito nila Gab. Hindi namin masyadong nagustuhan yung coffee. Pero, since si Mon gusto niya matry, so, syempre, ito-try natin, di ba? Bibigyan natin ng second chance. since busog pa kami, we just got some drinks. So I got the porch sweet tea, and Mon got the brew of the day. We are staying dito sa porch and we're also doing some work. We just ordered some drinks. Ako, I ordered itong sweet tea nila. Nasakto lang. I don't know, it tasted like parang yung nabibili lang na, I mean, ready mix na iced tea. I don't know, it's just me. It's okay, but I was expecting something else. And then si Mon, he got the brew of the day na cold. Tapos sabi niya, anong sabi mo? Gusto ko ikaw magsabi talaga ng ano. Wait lang. Ako mo. Oh.
I'll try
Sige.
Parang siyang orange juice. It's very acidic. I'm not sure kung anong bean yung ginamit and anong roast level. No, but definitely, this isn't my type of coffee. It might be na oxidized na siya or hindi na store ng maayos kaya gano'n yung lasa. But,
Or baka gusto na, baka naman orange juice yung in-order natin.
or calamansi. I'm not sure.
I don't know then. We're not bashing, we're just saying. Oh, wait lang, may sinasabi to. May sinasabi to.
Yung place naman maganda naman. Aesthetics mo. Bagay ko sa mga cloud chasers.
Oh my God, can you not say
Cloud chasers who wants to get, aesthetic pictures and,
Uy, grabe, alam mo, medyo mean siya. Not really cloud chasers, but for those who want, good atmosphere. Kasi okay naman talaga yung, I mean, the design of the place and all is really good. Tapos, they're very nice kasi meron mga plugs. So, you can actually work. Pet-friendly pa sila. So, or talagang diba?
or if you want to be in the to be seen place.
Oh God!
Is the
Please, I'm not including that. I'm actually not including him in the vlog anymore. Starting now, I don't mean to offend. I don't mean to offend anybody. He means to offend. I'm kidding. Since nag-overstay kami and ayaw naman namin masabihan na buraot, we bought pecan pie. It was actually my idea to buy pecan pie kasi gusto ko ng pecan. And then Simon, syempre, as a cookie guy, Rocky Road cookie. So we're gonna try if these are both good. Yeah, it smells good actually.
It smells like chocolate.
Tapos mukhang masarap din naman. Alright, we're gonna try out the pecan pie. I love pecans, by the way. The crust is probably very good crust actually. And then yung sweet part nito is good. Plus, sobrang dami ng pecan. I really love it. Not the best pecan pie, but it's good. Yeah. Okay, so, umalis na kami dun sa porch. Tapos, andito lang kami sa field. Simon, feel na feel niya yung grass. Tapos, it's really nice here because, amoy grass, the smell, it smells so good. Yes, that's correct. Ang ganda ng weather today. Very pleasant yung weather. Walang humidity. Well, meron. Pilipinas to may humidity always. Not really cold, but it's cool. I'm actually wearing a sweater na ako pa man din mainitin ako. So, ibig sabihin talagang malamig-lamig pa. Tapos, it's so nice here. Marami pa rin nag-picnic. I don't know where we're heading now. Where are we heading, Mon? Pero feeling ko kakain na naman kami. So, we found this Korean restaurant. As you know, dito sa Angeles, marami talagang mga Korean restaurant. There's even a Koreatown, what they call. We're gonna go for jjajangmyeon and kimchi jjigae. Tas yun, samahan nyo kami. We're here. Dwayji Galbi. Yes, so we've arrived. Nandito I said Dwayji Galbi. Hintay ko lang si Mond. And then we're gonna try out the traditional Korean food. Let's go inside. Hello po. Ang gulo. So, yan, kumuha kami ng set B. So, set B is jjajangmyeon, jampong, tangsuyuk, and gunmandu. So, yun kasi yung kinikrave namin. So, yun yung kinuha namin. Tapos, dinala nila kami ng mga appetizers, banchan. So, ito gustong-gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung radish, yellow radish. Sometimes, ano yan eh? Pink.
Yeah.
Tapos, itong fish cake. And then, they have this potato balls. And of course, I think masarap yung kimchi nila. Feeling ko.
Pagpasok pala, amoy na yung fermented kimchi.
Yes. So, this is our order. This is champong. And then, this is jjajangmyeon. Black bean noodles. And then this is tangsuyuk. This is parang sweet and sour pork. Ito yung sauce. Tapos merong mandu. And then these are the banchans. Ayan. Oh my God. It's too much for 2 people. But I guess we're gonna finish it. Yan. We're mixing the jjajangmyeon. Alam mo, isa sa favorite ko na Korean noodle dish is jjajangmyeon. Tapos yung iba, they're saying it tastes like lupa daw or it tastes sunog. Pero siguro hindi sila nakakakain lang na good jjajangmyeon.
But this one smells like tomatoes actually.
Really?
Or maybe because maraming
Maybe
onion.
you're you can smell this one.
Pero parang amoy ano siya eh. Caramelized onion.
Oh yeah, I think yun talaga rin yun. Yan. Tapos, ang jjajangmyeon, perfect talagang to pair with tangsuyuk, which is yung Korean version ng sweet and sour. Tapos ito din yung itong radish. Yun yung napapanood ko sa mga Korean novela. So this one, yung jampong, ito siya. In fairness naman, maraming mga
Laman.
seafood, yeah, and all that. It's quite good. Yeah, if you want like hot soup, it's quite good. Maanghang din siya. Not too spicy kasi we asked them
Yeah.
not too
I
spicy.
think for me it's not spicy. I think
Okay,
I need
so you can add, meron naman sila dito, ito.
yeah, enough more.
So you can just add more. For me, it's okay.
Yeah.
Well, actually, what I think is it's good. It suits the Filipino palate.
Yeah,
it's,
the price,
it's good for the price. It's 1,000 for all of these, and I think this is good for 4 to 5 people,
Yeah.
if not hungry. But if it's just us, ni Mohan, this is marami
It's
talaga.
too much, but I think you
it's
can
really,
finish it.
It's really good for siguro mga 4, no? Mga
4,
mga
yeah.
4 siya. Actually,
4
more than
people.
enough for 4 people kasi may protein na, you have itong tangsuyuk,
Yeah.
yung sweet and sour pork, so you have the noodles, you have the soup and all. So I think this is a sulit deal, and I think for most Filipinos, they would like it. But I would say with the jjajangmyeon and jampong that I've tasted in other restaurants, for me lang, I think may mas better pa. But if you're Filipino and you're first time trying yung mga Korean dishes, I think this would definitely suit your palate. This would definitely kumbaga would give you the taste of Korea. So, yeah, we're gonna eat. Actually, magpapaalam lang ako. So, done na kami kumain and we're going back home. Yun na, end ko na yung vlog today. Join us for another food trip next time. Thank you, bye-bye.